I've missed you so. Stevies, we are out here testing the new Motovlog setup again. We are testing it in the wind, and the wind's blowing a little bit over 20. So if it's going to make any of the messed up noises that it used to make, it's going to do it right now, and we're going to get it all out of the way. Hopefully it's going to work awesome, and we ain't going to have to worry about it. Hopefully. Goodness gracious. I didn't realize it was as windy as it is, though, so hopefully this is all going to work out just awesome. Just awesome. You know what else is awesome? Being on the Roadking again. I love this bike. Also, testing out in 4K for the first time. We'll see how this goes. We'll see how my computer feels about rendering 4K, because rendering 4K takes forever. With my 128 gig or 126 gig, there's 128 gig memory card, I get you like 5 hours out of 1080p at 60 frames per second. Right now I'm getting like 2 hours on 4K, so we'll see if this is worth it or not. I don't know if it is. Might be the only video that we do in 4K, I don't know, but we're doing this one in 4K. Also, Miss Stevie is not with me today because she is in town trying to find toilet paper. Those words are not words I ever thought I'd hear come out of my mouth. She is trying to find a toilet paper. How sad is that? Holy smokes, people. You don't need 18 cases of toilet paper. I think that'll last you a little bit more than a couple weeks that you're going to be quarantined. Also, speaking of the quarantine, I mean, how can I quarantine myself better by being on my motorcycle all by myself? They're doing the thing in Lincoln now is you can't have groups of more than 10 people, and they're gonna start tomorrow. They sent out a deal. Today's Wednesday, yeah, so they sent out a deal saying that tomorrow they're gonna start fining people $500. I don't know if that's every individual person's gonna get fined $500 or how they're gonna do that. That I don't know. I'm not necessarily sure. I want to know how they're gonna do that. Hopefully I will never be fined for that, but groups of 9 or more people are going to be illegal. Which, okay, I kind of get it. I mean, we don't want this growing any bigger than what it already is. You know, nip it in the butt, as they say, but I don't know. But yeah, I got up to 71 today. Feels awesome. Definitely not 71 anymore. Definitely just have a t-shirt on and a flannel. Not wearing my heated liner. Oh well, I can make it through. I've ridden in the cold before. Also don't have the lowers on today either. Didn't think I would need them, but I want to know how many of you guys are actually quarantining yourself. But what are you doing during your quarantine? I guess that's the question I want to know. Are you hanging out with the kids, playing video games, or... Because my kid, right now, they have closed school indefinitely. We got that email the other day saying it was going to be closed indefinitely. But they also started their online learning program today. So, I mean, that's cool. At least they're doing something, you know. It does feel awesome to be out here riding the Roadking again. And it'll also feel really good knowing that if my microphones are working and there's no popping, the wind noise is at a minimum, with noise canceling mics, this should be primo. Everything's turning green though. How awesome is this? I love it. Love it when everything's green. 179 for gas. Wow. That's awesome. Gotta love the gas prices going down, I guess. Too bad you can't go anywhere to use it. $253 for premium. Wow. That sign up there blowing around. I'm going to try to go a little ways with the visor open. See if it pops or not like crazy. I didn't put my tinted visor on with the pin lock though, man. That makes a huge difference. Plus I put my contacts in, not wearing glasses. They fog up like crazy because I'm cheap and I didn't get the anti-fog stuff on it. Oh. Hello. Uh-oh. I hung up on her, I think.
FM on.
No.
104.5.
The best for
FM off. Speed dial.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Oh. Try it now. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. There we go. Technology is difficult. My fault. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I'm on a motorcycle.
You are?
Yeah.
Right now?
I'm on a motorcycle right now. Yep.
Wow, it sounds so clear.
Yeah. Sennas are awesome. No, you're not with me. No, because you're out looking for toilet paper because people are stupid.
I got toilet paper. Did I tell you that?
Yeah, from my cousin.
From your family. I felt like I was doing something bad.
Well,
we met at the gas station.
I mean, toilet paper probably is more popular than drugs right now, so.
Yeah. It's pretty sad. I thought I was going to get mugged for the toilet paper.
Yeah, you don't want anybody to know you got it, that's for sure.
I know, I put it in the trunk so no one could see it.
You know, 3 weeks ago when we counted up our toilet paper and we had 9 rolls, and we still have 2 rolls left. So, I mean, come on, people. You don't need 500 rolls of toilet paper to make it through a month. They're going to make more, you know?
Right? Well, when I went to Walgreens, they said that they got 9 pallets in, and it was all gone yesterday. Alright, well, I'm almost home.
Alright. Me too.
When you get there.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Dun, dun, dun. I love this 3D phone mount. I love it. Alright, so on Friday we can't go to our son's graduation from the Army at Fort Benning from boot camp. So we're gonna watch it Friday. And then Saturday it's supposed to rain. But then Sunday, it's supposed to be nice. So hopefully we'll get Miss Stevie out here on a dual vlog on Sunday. I don't know where we're going to go because everything's locked down, but we'll find a small town somewhere to go hang out at, or we'll go do something. But hey, motorcycles are awesome, so we'll be having a good time no matter what. Gas stations will be open. Maybe we'll pack a picnic. A picnic. That'd be fun. I got the station wagon. I can put a picnic in the back on the saddlebags, so that'll be alright. We'll figure out something to do, though. It'll be fun. Gotta have something to do during this time of being locked down. Miss Stevie works from home, so I think she's chewing at the bit to try to get out of the house somehow. So, speeding. Not a policeman, though, so we're cool. But, oh, man. But yeah, we'll have more to talk about with Miss Stevie, and we'll discuss watching our son's graduation at Fort Benning and stuff. It'll be a good time. Even though I'm supposed to be on vacation right now on my way down to Fort Benning, but definitely not happening now. So hopefully the new Motovlog setup is working out. It's like I said, it's windy today, blowing over 20, so if there's no popping now, there will never be popping. I can't say that. If there's no popping now, hopefully that means that there won't be any popping in the future. But this is what's awesome about a Roadking. How long have I been going and not touched the handlebars? Didn't even realize I was doing it. But everybody, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more stuff like this, please subscribe. That makes a big difference. I noticed on my videos that 89% of the people, no, it's 83% of the people watching the videos are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, everybody. Let's blow this thing up. Make it cool. Not that it's already cool, but let's make it blown up cool. Yeah. But until next time, everybody stay cool. that fit right in there, didn't it? And we will see you on the road. How awesome would it be that, oh, policeman? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No policeman. Okay. Well, now I gotta do it again. How cool would it be to rev this thing up like this and not have it pop? That would be awesome. Let's make the audio great again.